I can't believe it's happening either. There we go. I know. This is like a dream come true. Honestly, you look so flippin' hot. Kathy, are you still there? Kathy?
Sassy, you're with us, Ben.
Are you still there? Did you hear that? Oh, she heard the whole thing. Okay, Carla.
Oh, stop.
Tell her they think we belong. I cannot believe this right now.
Yes, yes, yes.
Michael, will you come see us so we can get pictures, please? I don't know what we should do though. Should we ask him if he can put our guests in the car?
I don't know. I hope I got this movie, but I don't know if I did.